Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to reverse a video on this device. So the truth is that you cannot do it with your iPhone only. You need to download some app, for example Vasco or any other app for videos. So let me show you how it works with Vasco. Here you've got the video. You need to tap on edit, wait a couple of seconds. So once you have it, this is the original video, you can take a look. If you wish to reverse it, you need to click on edit, and here you've got the reverse icon, marker, and all you have to do is to click on reverse. And as you can see now, it is done. So if you tap on confirmation mark, you can smoothly save it. Meanwhile, you can add some filters if you wish. Tap on next, then click on save to camera roll, and that's it. Now you'll be able to use it. So this is how you can reverse a video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.